Hello and welcome to another update video about Ethereum as we're heading into a new trading week today with a late night update. Really only a quick update about what is happening here because this is where now the decision is playing out. I'm still looking at one more low. Possibly there could be some more short-term upside to exactly the 38.2% fib level of this retracement here, which would be at around, no, 1 second, just did take the wrong fibs. It would be here at 1207. Pretty 1 second. I think something wrong. Something's off. Yeah, it's not at 1207. Yeah, need to take it to the low at 1203, 1204. That would be the ideal retracement for wave 4. Do we need to get there? No, because I'm showing you an alternative count where we could already have seen the high of this wave 4 and we could be ready for an imminent decline down in wave 5. But bear in mind, this is really only the micro count. There's nothing attractive in my opinion to trade this here at the moment. It's all about waiting for either one more low, which would be this wave 5, ideally getting into the 1150 area, and then to go up from here. Yeah. And then we have a decision, is this going to be an impulse or just a correction? So at the moment this is a little bit unclear because there is a chance to really that we are in a, yeah, let's call it a short-term bullish pattern where we are moving up in 5 waves. So if we see the first 5 up and 3 down, that could be a long entry. However, if we come down in here in those 5 waves and we move up in only 3, which I'll try to make sure to make you aware as soon as I see that, then it would most likely directly lead to a new low without even making a new high. And if we don't even make a new high in this structure here, then it would most likely take us also down below the $1,000 level, and then we would most likely go to 650, yeah, 650 US dollars. The $1,000 level still is the most relevant support level that we have here on the Ethereum chart. But let's focus on the very short term here. My view is this could actually be an Elliott Wave triangle. So what I can do, I looked at the subwaves again. I mean, you could say this is the wave 3 low and we're just moving up in an ABC or even an ABC where we're going to get to the 1205 level. It is also a valid interpretation to put the wave 3 here and to have all of this as an Elliott Wave triangle. Yeah, this would be the count if we break down straight away, in my opinion, because then you would have an A wave up, the B wave down, then a C, D, and E. So if this now from here breaks down, it looks like a triangle actually. It appears to be very much a triangle. So if we come down from here straight away and we break below the 1173 level, that would be a strong indication. If we break the D wave low, that wave 5 is ongoing and we get to 1150. And that should be down here, ideally a turnaround point. So these are the key pivot points, key levels, yeah, key decision levels. I'm not convinced this is a triangle. It's only one option. I mean, in the micro counts, you know that things can change frequently. They are just too fluid. That's why we've got the larger boxes here as well. The key resistance areas and support areas, and primary expectation for me personally would be to nearly have this move finish. I mean, maybe we move up a few dollars or not to that 38.2 level, but we're very close anyway. We're talking here about $14, so that is really intraday volatility. And then to make one more low would be ideal. The only thing is, if we go for whatever reason straight away above 1218 here, which is the 50% retracement, that would mean that we are breaking through resistance, quite meaningful resistance. Then I would assume the low has already been made. Not a problem, because we reached our support area. Bear in mind, when we came down here and broke this trend line, we talked about this support area to get into this, which we did. Whenever we get into these areas, we need to expect a reversal. So we get into this. However, in my opinion, we don't have enough waves down yet to complete it. I'd like to see one more low. And at the moment, this move up appears to be only corrective, and it's really only just moved into resistance, so it's not even broken it. So there's at the moment, no reasonable reason to assume that the low is already in this short-term move. So yeah, that's my update about Ethereum. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership and maybe also the trading course we're offering on morecryptoonline.com. Very important as well that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. It would help us a lot and would keep you informed, because every day or two we publish additional content on there, plus some signals as well, market updates and so on. Okay, thanks a lot for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.